In this video, I will show you everything you need to know about Slack and how beginners can start using it. First, open Slack and sign into your account. Once you log in, you'll enter something called a workspace. A workspace is the main area where teams communicate and collaborate together. On the left-hand side, you'll see channels. Channels are different sections created for topics, teams, or projects. For example, a company might have channels for announcements, marketing, support, or general discussions. To open a channel, simply click on its name and you'll be able to read messages and join conversations. You can also send direct messages if you want to chat privately with someone. Just click on the person's name and start typing your message. Slack also lets you share files, images, videos, and links directly inside chats. You can react to messages with emojis, reply in threads, and pin important messages so your team can easily find them later. Another powerful feature in Slack is integrations. You can connect apps like Google Drive, Zoom, and Trello to automate tasks and keep everything connected in one place. Slack also supports voice and video meetings. You can start a quick huddle or call directly inside the app without needing extra software. Overall, Slack is a communication tool designed to help teams stay organized, collaborate faster, and manage work more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.